Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want more stamina, better energy, and improved overall fitness, today's workout is exactly what you need. These exercises are simple, effective, and perfect for building endurance at home or in the gym. Let's jump right into it. Exercise 1. Jump rope, 1 minute. Start with jump rope to get your heart pumping and your body warmed up. Keep a steady rhythm and stay light on your feet. This exercise improves cardio endurance, coordination, and calorie burning. If you don't have a rope, you can do invisible jump rope movements instead. Exercise 2. Bodyweight squats, 45 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body into a squat. Push back up through your heels and repeat. Squats build lower body strength and help improve stamina in your legs for daily activities and sports. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers, 45 seconds. Get into a push-up position and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and your back straight. This move is amazing for endurance, fat burning, and full body conditioning. Exercise 4. Burpees, 30 seconds. Burpees are one of the best exercises for total body endurance. Drop into a squat, kick your feet back, perform a push-up, jump forward, and explode upward. It's challenging, but it delivers incredible results. Complete this circuit 3 to 4 times with a short rest between rounds. Stay consistent. Push yourself a little more each week, and you'll notice a huge improvement in your endurance and energy levels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout. Drop a comment below and let me know which exercise challenged you the most. See you in the next video.